The truth is, your body doesn't age on one timetable. Your heart might be 35, while your liver's already pushing 50. Why do we age in the first place?
We often think of aging as a ticking clock, a steady, rhythmic countdown. But in truth, aging is more like music. Each part of your biology is like a note in a grand composition. Your mitochondria, your DNA, your hormones, your immune system. They don't operate alone, they harmonize. Or sometimes, they fall out of tune. When one system falters, the whole piece starts to wobble. That's what aging really is. Not time passing, but damage accumulation, one sour note at a time. At the surface, everything looks perfect, but deep inside, the music is already changing. Your mitochondria gave your cells power, but that power comes at a cost. Tiny toxins called reactive oxygen species are like the pollution coming from the power plant. Now at first, your body clears them away, but over time, that buildup starts to dull the notes. When these toxins reach your DNA, the entire score gets harder to read. Notes are skipped, instructions are corrupted. What should be a masterpiece turns messy. What happens next? Your body sends in the repair crew, stem cells. But increasing damage can exhaust them. If they give up, this is where the song really starts to fall apart. This mitochondrial damage leads to DNA errors, which disrupts your hormones, which weakens your immune system. And just like a grand piano falling out of harmony, aging accelerates. But the good news is, we can rewrite the score. And here's the truth, your body is brilliant. It's already trying to fight back. Your cells come equipped with mechanisms to repair, recycle, and reboot. But they can only do so much on their own. Our job is to help them, to clear the toxins, fuel the right systems, and most of all, learn to keep our biology in tune.